UAW President Shawn Fain strongly supports President Trump's 25% auto tariffs, asserting that they could immediately restore thousands of auto jobs in Michigan by pressuring automakers to utilize underused U.S. plants. He pointed to Stellantis' Warren Truck Assembly plant as an example, claiming production currently sent to Mexico could be brought back right away. Key points. Fain emphasized integrity over party politics, saying Trump is the first president in decades to seriously address outsourcing and unfair trade practices. Detroit. 3 plants are operating at just 44% capacity in 2025, with facilities like Ford's Flat Rock and GM's Lansing Grand River notably underutilized. Analysts say that shifting production back to the U.S. would be costly and time-consuming, with EV investment outpacing current demand. Despite industry concerns, Fain dismissed the idea that car prices must rise due to tariffs, calling past price hikes during COVID corporate greed. He claimed automakers can remain profitable without increasing prices and accused them of using tariffs as an excuse to price gouge consumers. Fain's remarks came amid wider political developments, including Trump's executive orders targeting union protections and diversity initiatives. Meanwhile, analysts warn the tariffs could raise car prices and disrupt supply chains, even as Fain insists they're necessary to protect American jobs.